If you want to install Threads app on Windows PC or laptop, first you need to click here on this search bar and just type Microsoft Store and open this. Now just click your profile, Microsoft profile, and sign in to your Microsoft account. It may be any account, Outlook, Hotmail, Skype account or Xbox account. You can use any Microsoft account. In case if it doesn't have any account, just create one new Microsoft account. It's completely free. I'm also using the free Microsoft account. Then click the search bar and just type Threads. Search. Yeah, here you can see Threads and Instagram app. Just open that. Yeah, this is here you can see Instagram and just click get. Okay, now it's installed. Just click open. Yeah, that's it. It's open. Just sign into your Threads account. Just click continue. Just minimize this. Yeah, here you can see the icon. If you want to add the Thread account to desktop, click the search and just type run, RUN, and type shell : apps folder, then OK. Now here scroll down and find the Thread app. Here it is. So just right click here and create shortcut. Yes, that's it. So here you can see Threads shortcut was created. If you click that, it will automatically redirect into the Thread app. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch these videos.